Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify auto pause. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify auto pause, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page, you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this list of apps on for, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. When you'll find this page, we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.